Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic is what are the support and resistance used for trading other than first 5 minutes candle high and low and camera pivot point R3 and S3. Okay. Before going to the topic, I explain basics of support and resistance. That means what is support and what is resistance. Okay. The horizontal line placed above the current running candle is called resistance. Okay, and horizontal line placed below the candle is called support. For example, this is the market moving like that. This is the current running candle. Okay. There is horizontal line above this candle. It is called resistance. The horizontal line below the candle, it is called support. Okay. The line above the candle is called resistance. Below the candle is called support. Okay. The horizontal line above the candle resistance, below the candle support. Whenever the candle touch the resistance or support or resistance, there is two probability. One is breakout, another one is rejection. Another one is rejection. Okay. What I am saying, this is the candle, market moving like this. There is a resistance and this is the support. When the market move up and touch this line, that means resistance, there is two probability. One is if it break the line, it go upside, it is called breakout. Based on that, we will enter in a call option. In case the sellers here, the buyers are active, the breakout is definitely happen. In case there is sellers are active, the candles are rejected from this particular horizontal line and change the trend and move to nearest support. It is called rejection. Okay. So if you break the line and go upside, it is called breakout. If it fail to break and market reverse, it is called rejection. Based on this rejection, we enter into a put option. Okay. Like that only, if the market movement touch the support, there is two probability. One is breakout, that means break the line support and move downside. If it rejected, it move upside. It is called rejection. So whenever the candle face this horizontal line, there is two probability. Okay. That only I mentioned here. When the candles are touch the support and resistance, there is a two probability. One is breakout, another one is rejection. My 99% of trading based on this rejection or breakout pattern only. Okay. Now we see what are the support and resistance I regularly use. That means first one is first 5 minutes candle high and low. This is first 5 minutes candle high and this is first 5 minutes candle low. Okay. And camera R3 and S3. R3 and S3. I manually mark this line, but this is a indicator camera pivot point R3 and S3. I make a separate video for how to set the camera pivot point. Please check that video. I give the link in description. Okay. Other than this, the four lines, what are the support and resistance I use and how I find the support and resistance, that only discussed in this video. Okay. When the market movements suddenly started go huge up or huge down, I noted that high and low of the rally and I treated that high and low as a support and resistance for upcoming days. That means from next day onwards, I treated the high and low as support and resistance, not a high and low of the particular day. That means this is a market starting candle. The market moving like this or this like this, when suddenly started moving huge down, and here move upside and close here. So this is a huge down rally. So I mark the particular rally high and low as resistance and support, not overall high, not closing like that. I use only the high and low of the particular rally. This is the first candle moving like this and go huge up and close here. Okay, I mark the rally high and low as a, this is support and this is a resistance. Okay, I mark this line for upcoming days. When it's next day, market moving like this, if it touch this support, there is two probability. One is rejection, another one is breakout. So this support and resistance also treated as the important line. That only I discussed here. If the support are not broken in coming days, I use the line up to when breakout is happen at the particular line. That means this is a huge down rally. I mark this for future days. This is closing of the day. I mark this high and low. Okay, in the next day, when the market move and touch getting rejection, the breakout not happen here. So I continue this line for next day also. Like that, if is touch, if breakout is not happen, that means rejection. I mark this line for next day also. If the candle break in next day and go breakout, I remove this line at end of the session. Next day onwards, I not treated as a support and support. When this candle it broke, this support is broken by next day. At the end of the day, I remove this line also. Okay. When the support and resistance, this is first day, the huge rally happened. Okay. The next day, the market not the touch and rejection or without not touching properly. I use this line or next day. If it touch getting rejection and go down, I use this for next day also. If it's breakout happen after end of the day, I remove this line. After that, I not use the support. Like that only resistance also. Okay. Then when the breakout is happened in the particular support or resistance, I remove the line at end of the day. I hope this. I once again explain this in simple starting manner. What is support and resistance? That means on particular day, market move huge up. I mark the rally of the high and low for next upcoming days. It is I treated as the resistance and support. And next day, when from upcoming days, when the candle break this support, that means when breakout happen, and that day only, after the day only, I remove the support and resistance. Otherwise, I use this support when it's was broken by the candle. Now we see this in chart. For this month, I taking from my checking from first onwards. So if you see here, market is moving like this. After that, it make a huge rally up to here. So I mark the rally high and rally high and low. Okay. Here, the this line was broken and it giving a support and move downside. Okay. Here the rally was broken by next day. That means here breakout happened and once again it reversed. Okay. So once again the rally started from here to here in next day. So I mark this in different color. Here we see the next high was broken, but there is some consolidation, not proper pay. That means there is no confirmation candle for this breakout. After that, it getting rejection. This only I mentioning in the, that means there is without no proper breakout, it will be rejected. I keep this line for next upcoming days. After the breakout, it move down towards next support. That means the highest high, the next is support. After breaking this support also, it moving near to the next line. So here the breakout will be happen. At the end of the day, I remove this line. Okay. Once again, this line also broken. So I remove at the end of the day, I remove this two line. But here the huge rally happened here to here. So I mark the new line for the particular day. And once again here from here we make a rally. If we I mark this 2. Once again the rally breakout happened. It reached the next support within same candle, but this support not allow the market to go down. After consolidation it moved slide down. So this also broken. So whenever the support and resistance main part is to stop the rally of the market. Here the huge up down happened. Here the breakout is finished. So I delete this line, mark this and this. Okay. This also breakout happened. So we will remove this line. The resistance not allow the market to break. It rejected and reverse and go down. The support not allow the down market. It tried to change the market trend towards upside. Okay. Here the huge, did you see the huge rally? So we will mark the rally high and rally low. This is from somewhere here the market getting reversal. You see there is some consolidation. After that started once again market rally. So if you feel mark this also. Okay. After that on November 12th, the candles are exactly rejected from the breakout and moved downside and tried to break but get a not a proper confirmation candle. Once again there is a consolidation at the support and resistance. Okay, this is the support and resistance I am using other than first 5 minutes candle high and low and Camara R3 and S3. I hope you understand this video. If you like the video, please share to your trading friends, and if you have any doubts, please leave me in comment section. Thank you.